Engine 31 is at Aurora Avenue North and North 96 feet. We have a 2-car MVI, 1 person trapped. Establishing Aurora command.
Ladder 5 is at rescue group supervisor.
Dispatch from Aurora command, give me 2 more additional units. We have a total of 4 patients.
Okay, Aurora command, 2 additional units, please.
Dispatch from Aurora command, let's also get 1 additional medic unit. All units from Aurora command, we have 3 trapped patients. 1 individual is trapped in a forklift. The other 2 patients are trapped in a sedan. Vehicle is on all 4 wheels.
Battalion 4 is at, assuming Aurora command, rescue extrication SOG is in effect. Dispatch from Aurora command, we have 1 patient extricated.
Okay, command, 1 patient extricated.
Dispatch, medical group supervisor, can we have 2 AMRs to 95 and a...
Okay, command, we'll get you 2 AMRs to 95 in Aurora.
Dispatch from Aurora command, Battalion 6 will be rescue group supervisor.
Dispatch, medical group supervisor, can you add 831 to this run? Rescue group from Rescue 1, could you keep access for Rescue 1 in mind?
Your access will be southbound in the northbound in the south. We're having SPD move their vehicles.
Command for rescue group supervisor confirming we have 2 yellow patients, 2 red patients. The 2 yellow patients are on the sidewalk waiting for patient assessment and treatment. Still working to get the roof off with the other 2 red patients trapped inside.
Rescue 1 from command, we're flopping the top on this vehicle to access the 2 remaining patients.
Command for rescue group, patient 2 in the SUV has been extricated. All patients have been extricated. We're currently getting assessed in patient care.
Medic 31 transporting 1 red patient to Harborview. Dispatch from Aurora command, we had 2 red patients transported, number 1 to HMC via Medic 31, number 2 to HMC via A17, 2 yellow patients being transported BLS.